Hey everybody, how you doing? My name is Jason Rod. I am a loan officer here at MBank. I just wanted to talk to you about a couple options that people have. This one sticks out to me quite clearly for people who are in a position that own a home that want to go ahead and access the equity and don't want to do a HELOC. They don't want to do anything variable. They don't want to do a cash out refinance. Basically, what this is a one-time lump sum payment that comes out from the equity of your home that can go up to a 85% LTV that can go ahead and assist you in basically accessing that equity to make that money work for you. Because a lot of the times these people or my clients that are in the space, they have a lot of equity, but they got this pandemic rate, right? So like with the pandemic rate, what I mean by that is that the record low one time in history that it was in the two, threes, fours, where it was. So this is a program that we offer at MBank. And let me just zoom in on this here for you. These are basically what I can offer and what the loan specs are. So this is something to look at for you. If you are a person that has non-traditional income, meaning you get 1099s or you are self-employed, or if you want to qualify utilizing your business bank statements or personal, by all means, there is a way to do that. Or even an asset-based loan where you are going to be using asset utilization, meaning you have tradable securities or something in that form that we could go ahead and do our math calculation on to go ahead and help you. Now, going through this, you see that we can do the business bank statements, we can do 1099s, and it's important to know that this is a one-time lump sum payment, so this is not a HELOC, it's not like a credit card. You are going to get this money all at one time, up to $500,000, but there are credit requirements which require a minimum of 660 to start in this process. And there's some nuances to it, like are your impounds there? Do you have all of your, tax, insurance, and everything impounded into your mortgage? Are you handling it differently? I mean, I'm obviously flexible to help you out anyway or answer your questions on that. But there is some structure in the back end that's not on this. But it's a 30-year fixed term, all right? I can go up to a 50% debt to income ratio, and you can do it for a primary residence, a second home, an investment property. They're all eligible for this product. So if you have multiple investment properties, you have a lot of equity, you don't want to do a cash out refi, lose that first pandemic rate, but you make money with your money and you're thinking about it's about time to deploy. It is a very volatile market, but at the same time, if you know how to navigate it, this is definitely a way to access some liquidity to engage in your investment strategies that you might have. Now, also available products are going to be the single family homes. I'm sorry, it's not products, it's property type, excuse me. It's a single family home. Condominiums or 2 to 4 unit homes are all eligible for financing. Unfortunately, foreign nationals are allowed. Did I say unfortunately? I meant fortunately. Fortunately, foreign nationals are allowed. So we can go ahead and discuss what that really means. Is that if you're from out of country and you are going to go ahead and invest here in the States, either in the lower 48, Alaska, or Hawaii, where I am located out of, we can go ahead and look at basically where you're going with that, where you're coming from and how we can help. But again, going back into it, you can use your personal bank statements, or you can use I got thrown off by my computer, all my alerts. You can use your personal bank statements or business bank statements. Either way, it doesn't matter. Your business bank statements, I'm basically going to look at a 12 months look back of your business bank statements. I'll obviously need to understand what your percentage of the business ownership is. Are you incorporated into a LLC? Are you a sole proprietor? Is it an S corp? Like really, where do you fall in this space? I'm an expert in all those, so I'm happy to go ahead and help you navigate exactly the best structure for your loan. And a lot of people, elephant in the room is that they say is that the rates are so high. Well, I think that really the general public isn't really educated on the mortgage products on how to really help yourself, because there are things that come into this space where you want to be able to navigate a product and have someone who can help you set yourself up for success. And by that, I mean being very granular about the scenario, being able to navigate and understand and utilize your income if it's not traditional, or if you're a standard W-2 employee and you're looking to purchase a home, there you might be looking for a jumbo, or you might be looking for an interest-only product, or you might be wanting to do something else. You might have a certain nuance, a pain point that really is not helping you where conventional banks can't do it. This is where MBank comes in. We are experts in what we do. We're a direct lender. You're talking to the horse, not the tail. The head, not the tail. But yeah, so that's where it's at, and I hope to go ahead and talk to everyone more. This is my first live stream ever. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers within a 90-day period, so I will be on this quite often. Any kind of mortgage questions or anything that you have about this, either this close-end second or any of our other products that I'll go through in other videos, I'm more than happy to help you out, walk you through the scenario, explain the process, and just really, I want to be a trusted source for you to get information from a non-biased position and be able to set you up for success. Everyone deserves the right of home ownership, and real estate is an amazing way to build, a lifetime of income and stability. But really navigating the loan products is really a key point to it, because not everyone has all the cash to put down for $1 million home. You're not going to buy it for $1 million. If you can make money with that money, why wouldn't you make money with that money? Put a little bit lower down, navigate a program, and do it that way. But I'm curious to see who's going to like this, follow, subscribe. It definitely helps the algorithm of me moving forward and getting to that 1,000 subscribers. So again, thank you so much for your time. It's very nice to meet everybody. And you can reach out to me at jrod@mbank.com. That's mbanc.com. jrod@mbanc.com. All right. I hope you guys are well. It's my first little live stream. Hope it went well. They're only going to get better, gang. Take care. And how do I stop? There it is.